Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video for faster multiplication. And you must be knowing I have uploaded so many different videos to make multiplication easier for you. And these videos are a part of the chapter number 2 Magic Multiplication Tricks of our ebook of short tricks. So if you want a compilation of all these around 300 short tricks, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. You can find this number in the description of this video as well. So friends, what do we have in the video? We have to do multiplication by rearrangement. Sometimes when the numbers are scattered and you rearrange the numbers, it makes your task a little bit easier. I'll show you how by understanding the concept used in the trick. For that, let me take a question like 42 being multiplied by say 91 and then multiplied by another number, say 35. Now multiplying 92 and 91 and 42 is little bit difficult because the unit digits 2 and 1, when you multiply them you are again getting 2. But when you try to multiply 42 and 35, the unit places 2 and 5, the product is 10, and that will give you a number which is close to a base number. So I'll show you how. Suppose I have to do 35 times 42. Now how do I do this? See, I'll separate out a factor 2 from here. So this actually is 2 into 21, right? So I will visualize this as double of 35, which is 70 times 21, and that makes it easier for me because I know 7 times table because you have a 0 at the end. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. That gives me the product of 42 and 35 directly. And now I just have one more number, 91. So 147 and then 91, and then we have the 0 as well here. So how do you multiply these numbers? You should know the vertically and crosswise technique very well in order to ensure that you get the product correctly. Rearrangement will help you simplify it, but obviously you have to go for the vertically and crosswise method also. So if you prefix a 0 here, this will give you a 7. And then when you cross multiply these two, 9 sevens are 63 plus 4 67, so 7 and a 6 carry. Then if you cross multiply the first and last, you are going to get 1 0 and 36, which gives you 36 plus 1 37, and the 6 carry 43, so 3 and a 4 carry. Now the first two cross multiplied and added gives you 9 plus 4 13, so 1 3 3 7 7 and a 0. That becomes the product of these three numbers. Now once you see this, you will feel as if this is little difficult, but when the numbers are smaller, it creates wonders. Just like if for junior students you have 9 into 7 into 5. Now doing 9 into 7 will be tricky, but doing 9 into 5 will be easier because they know 5 times something, right? Or if this is not 9 or this is 8 fives are 40, and 40 times 7, doing that is much more easier than doing 8 times 7 56 and then doing times 5, right? So let's see some more questions here to understand this in a better way. Here we have 4 different numbers. So how do I do this now? First of all, we have a 5 here and a 5 in this number as well. So let's manipulate this number 125. Now this 14 is actually 7 times 2. So I will get rid of this and double 125, which gives me 250. Right? So we have a number 250, and then we have 7 6 are 42, and then we have the number 35. Now see how you understand the question. This is important. So here again this is an even number, so I can visualize this as 21 times 2, and if I get rid of this 2 and double this, my question will be 35 times 21 times double of 250 is exactly 500. And see, this is a base number, and so my calculation is going to be a little bit easier now. Now doing 35 times 21 is very easy through vertically and crosswise. This is 5, then we have 10 plus 3, 13, 3, 1 carry, and then this is 7, 735, and 735 times 500 is pretty elementary because you have two zeros, and then 5 5s are 25, 5 2 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17, 7 1 carry, 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36, and here is the product of the four numbers. See, all these are mental math steps, you can actually do them orally, because when I write all the steps it will look like I am complicating the things, but that's not the actual case. Mental maths is like that, you have to think correctly about the numbers in the mind. Let's see another one here. Here I have one particular thing, number which ends in 5. So if I try to find out some even numbers like 18, 18 is 2 times 9, right? And if I double this number, I get the combination of these two gives me 110, and then we have the 63 and the 9. Now 9 3s are this is 27, 7 2 carry, 9 6 are 54 plus 2 56, and all I have to do is to multiply 567 by 11 to get my final answer. So this is 0. And how do you multiply numbers by 11? Start with the unit digit. 7, 7 plus 6, we have 13, 3, 1 carry, and then 6 plus 5, 11 plus 1 carry, 12, 2, 1 carry again, and then the single digit 5 makes it 6. 62370 is the answer for the question. See how quickly we have done it without actually traditionally multiplying anything. Let's see two more questions. Here we have 4 different numbers now. So how do we manipulate this question now? This is like we have a 45 here which I can manipulate easily. So let's break this as 61 times 2, right? So I am writing 13 and I make this 45 as 90 because I took out a common factor 2 from here and gave it to 45. So 2 times 45 became 90, and then we have the 17. Now doing 61 times 90 is very easy because 0, and then 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. So this will be the product, and 13 times 17 because both of them start with 1, 13 7s are 91, 1 9 carry, 13 ones are 13, 22. So 221, and now I should know my vertically and crosswise well. The answer is going to end in 0, and 549 is to be multiplied by 221 using the vertically and crosswise. So this is 9, this is 18 plus 4 22, 2 carry, then 18 20 25 33, so 3 and a 3 carry, then 10 18 21 1 2 carry, and then 10 plus 2 12. So the answer for the question will be 1213290, the product of these numbers. Then we have this question where again we have 4 different numbers and one of the numbers is ending in 5. So let me try to convert that to a round figure by taking out 2's from even numbers. So from here, if I give a 2 to this number, this becomes 170, 47, and then because it gave away 2, so this becomes 12, and then we have the 38. So many 2's are there, so I can take out another 2 from here. This becomes 340, so this becomes 6, and another 2, so 680, and this becomes 3, and see how quickly the question will get solved now. This is 38. I can actually give another 2 from here to here. 600 becomes 1200, 1360. So 1360 times 47 times 3 times 19, and 1360 will be multiplied by 47 multiplied by 19 3s are 57. So we need again the same thing, you need to multiply using vertically and crosswise. So 57 and 47, 7 7s are 49, 9 4 carry, this is 28, 32, 32 and 35 is 67, 7 6 carry. This is 20 plus 6, 26. So we have the product of these two numbers as 2, 6, 7, 9, and now I need to multiply 136 by this number to get my final answer. So I'll leave this question as a DIY for you, because I want you to use the vertically and crosswise method to multiply this 4-digit number by this 3-digit number, and your answer will end in 0. So do let me know in the comments below what is the answer for this particular question, and try 40-50 such questions through rearrangement, so that the method starts striking your mind and all the multiplications become easy for you. So friends, if you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for getting all the notifications on your mobile itself, and don't forget to share the video with your friends. All the best for your practice.